Hey everyone, my name is Larry Kelishetsky. I'm with Zuski Corporation. We're a medical device design firm in Houston, Texas. And I wanted to do this video because I wanted to share some tools that we've learned over the 20 years we've been in business about time management and tracking time and managing data from projects. So we use a program called Wrike. It's an online service. It costs about $400 a year per user, but it's pretty good. We use it here for basically tracking our time, our tasks, who's working on the projects, whether they're completed or not, what percentage they're completed. We can build Gantt charts from it. We can do time logs and time entries. People can log in and out of the software, whatever. But the one problem we've been using it for about 5 years of the 20 years we've been in business, is that we literally have about 36,000 lines of data in here. So this is the problem. So this exports into Excel fairly quickly. However, it comes in as just a tremendous amount of data, spread out in a lot of different categories. And so in order to edit this data, it takes a lot of time. You basically have to clean up the Excel spreadsheets and subcategorize everything you want to do. Well, this is where Power BI comes in. Now that I have this exported data from Excel, which normally I would have to spend hours editing, I can just go into Power BI and say import data. I'll import the data that I just opened in Wrike or exported it from Wrike into Excel. Power BI is going to import this data fairly quickly. It's already done it. It's up here on the right. And it takes those columns in the Excel spreadsheet and it gives them to you as options for filtering through. So now we can just take like a pie chart and I can just say, I want to select the category of work and the fractional hours, and Power BI creates a pie chart for me with that data. But here's where it gets really interesting, is I can then take that data side by side with a bar graph. I can do category and person with fractional hours. And now it shows me the people and the time spent next to the category and the time spent. And if I select one of the people, it shows me in the bar graph on the pie chart on the left where that person has spent their time. Ultimately, what you're going to do with this data is you're going to upload it to your Office 365. And from there, you can export it to a PowerPoint. And when it comes into a PowerPoint, it allows you to then track time, task, people, item by item. So for example, this particular project here, I click on that. It shows me exactly what categories of time were spent on that: engineer, industrial design, technical artist, and then the people who spent their time on that. So these are the employees that worked on this project during this time. But drilling down even further, and this is what really makes it powerful, is I can actually scroll down in the PowerPoint and I can say, I only want to see the data from January or February or both. So that's about it for today. Just a couple extra notes. Wrike costs about $300 to $500 per year per seat, and there's a 5-seat minimum. So if you're a small firm, it might not work out for you. And then Power BI is about $20 per month. For that package, it comes with a downloadable desktop version, and then from there it'll connect to your Office account online where you can upload the files and then export them to PowerPoints. If you have any other questions about this video or any other information about these programs or how we do this stuff, I'd be happy to share whatever I can with you. Just leave your comments below.